this opportunity to thank everyone at Scottish High International School for going out of their way in order to educate our children during these challenging times. When this pandemic began, teachers were given notice to shift very quickly to e-learning with little or no training. We understand the enormous responsibility and challenges that online learning placed on teachers as they had to balance home and work while simultaneously caring for students. We know last year was one of the most challenging years we have all faced. Thank you for rising to that challenge so far, and we are sure you will continue to do everything possible to help our children. Thank you, Scottish High International School, for stepping up to ensure our students are staying healthy and safe and continuing to learn during pandemic. Thank you to all the teachers once again for cultivating powerful relationships with the students and for guiding our children, especially during tough times. Thank you for what you do every day. Armstrong said, for selflessly loving our kids, for investing in their present so that they may have amazing futures. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I just wanted to give a big shout out and gratitude to all the teachers, staff and management of Scottish High International. I am so proud to be associated with this school in this testing times of the pandemic. The teachers and the staff have stood hand in hand with all the children and everybody associated with the school. Kudos to the staff and the team who have been there emotionally and mentally helped all the children through this very, very testing phase. Be it financially helping the children who've lost a parent or also being there counseling the children. Hats off to all the teachers and all the staff members who have done a wonderful job. Thank you so much.
My heartfelt and sincerest thanks to all the teachers of Scottish High International School who have been working tirelessly hard to ensure that the learning of our kids do not stop in spite of the pandemic. Last year was very crucial for our kids as they were in 10th grade. With the classes being online, we were all very tensed, but the teachers ensured and put in their 100% effort that the kids are well prepared for the boards. They left no stone unturned. Online classes is not easy, but the teachers have beautifully adapted to this new mode of teaching. Once again, my sincerest thanks to the school and all the teachers.
2020 and 2021 have been the most unprecedented years for us all, and especially for our children. But thanks to the amazing team of teachers, they have been able to sail through the tough times easily. Not only the academic part was taken care of, but the teachers also made sure that they were available to our kids at all times via WhatsApp or phone calls whenever they were emotionally distressed or needed a guide to talk to. On behalf of the parents of Highlanders, I would like to thank all the lovely teachers of the school for being there when the kids needed them the most. Gratitude and respect for you all.
Hello everyone, I am a proud parent of Scottish family and I'm very happy to see the way Scottish has handled the overall COVID situation around. Whether it was online classes, teachers were very supportive. So we're very lucky to be a part of Scottish High team and the kids I feel are in the right direction. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody. Last 18 months have been very tough and very challenging. The world is not the same. The world has changed. Life for everybody has changed. You know, the only thing which has been constant in the last 18 months is change. People like us who've been used to working in office today see a different world, which is so difficult. And I've realized I've never worked so hard in my entire life than what I've been working in the last few months. I really, want to call it out for the teachers of Scottish High. I mean, I know what the children have to go through and how difficult it is, but kudos to them, the way they are coming out, working and adapting to online learning. The teachers of Scottish High, the way you guys have stretched, supported the children in this new era or the new mode of learning for them. So thank you very much for what you're doing. I know it is very difficult, I know it is challenging, and you guys are doing a great job. This too shall pass and life will again become normal, and hopefully very soon we'll again start living a normal life. So thank you for what you do for us, for our children. Thank you very much.
Mama said, don't give up. It's a little complicated, all tied up.